A list field allows form entrants to select a single option or multiple options from a list. To set it up, start by adding a field widget to a form container. From the Custom Fields section, select List, then click Next. By default, you'll see 3 options. Your options can appear as a drop-down list, which looks like this. This option is great for longer lists, such as a list of cities or locations. Radio buttons, which is great for shorter lists of options. Or select the text option. This will allow the user to type in text, which will have to match a value in your list of options exactly, including capitalization. When using text, if the values are in all lowercase, ShortStack will automatically convert their text to lowercase. The same goes for all caps. No text conversion happens for a mix of caps and lowercase. Great use cases for using the text option is when including a password gate in your entry form, when allowing participants to guess an answer, or when quizzing participants and requiring a correct answer before revealing the next part of the form. If you'd like to allow users to select more than one option, check this box. You can then choose to display the options in a list, like this, or as checkboxes. You can also set a minimum and maximum for the number of options the user is able to select. Give this list field a label and add the option choices in this box, 1 per line. As an option, you can select a default value. This is the value that will be selected by default when the user arrives at the entry form. When you're done configuring your list field, click Save and Exit.